I'm Jennifer. Nice to meet you. Now I would like to introduce our laser welding machine to you. We know that laser welding machine can be used in metal material welding and processing industry. It can be used to weld almost all kinds of metal materials. And in our company, we have two choices. One is 1 kilowatts, another is 1.5 kilowatts. And they can weld the max about 5 millimeter carbon steel and stainless steel, about 4 millimeter aluminum and brass. And now I would like to introduce more details about the machine. Now we can see these buttons on this machine. First is the emergency stop button, and when this red one, when this light is on, it means that we connect the power. And the second, it is the yellow light. When the yellow light is on, it means the machine is ready. We can use it. When the green light is on, it means the machine is working. Here is our control panel. We can see it lists some information of this machine. For example, the power, the gas, and the speed. Here we can see this part. This machine we can connect the filler to this machine. Some customers maybe need it. And this is our laser head. Here we have a small motor here. It can help to output the spiral laser. It can help to expand the welding surface, so make the welding performance more beautiful. Next, I will show you our water chiller and the laser source. Here, this is our laser source. This one is 1.5 kilowatts. For the laser source, we have two choices. One is Rex, another is our own brand, Symphony brand. This is our water chiller. And this one we can see here are this is a panel. It shows some details of this water chiller. So we can know more about it and help us to control it better. Then we would like to invite our technician to show how this machine works. Let's have a look. First, we need to set some parameter. The first one, our technician welded the stainless steel. This is a carbon steel. Aluminum. Let's see the welding performance. Can you show us the
是3毫米的碳钢。
This is 3mm carbon steel. You can see that.
这是3毫米焊那个不锈钢。
It is 3mm stainless steel.
1毫米铝。
1mm aluminum. It is very hot, so our technician use the gloves to show it to us. So that's all about our machine. If you are interested in it, and or if you have more questions, please leave your contact information. Our sales manager will contact you. Thank you.